how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, we're going to be talking about monochromatic outfits and how you can style them. Now broken down, monochromatic simply means mono and chromatic. Mono is single and chromatic is color. So essentially it's an outfit that consists of pieces of the same color family. One of the easiest ways to look ultra chic is to go for a monochromatic outfit, and there's no hard and fast rule to say that you can't wear something of another color. Maybe you can't pop an accessory of another color, or you can't have different tones of the same color family. That is completely up to you, and we will be talking all about that and how you can style better and not look like a crayon whenever you're doing monochromatic. Now here's the thing, it's important that you create the right balance without letting the color overwhelm you, and in general still keeping the vibe very much tonal. Let's start off by talking about colors. Now when it comes to colors, black or navy, that whole color family is the easiest to pull off. In most cases, you would already be having pieces to create the perfect black or navy monochromatic outfit in your wardrobe, because we all buy black pants, jeans, jeggings, we all buy black tops. I'm wearing one right now. I'm wearing black plazos right now, so I can vouch for this. It's one of the easiest to play around with. It's also the most chic color out of the whole monochromatic family to pull off. Now you can also be brave and try other monochromatic colors like burgundy, eggplant, hunter green, other colors like that. But it's also a good idea to move beyond those colors and see the colors that you naturally gravitate towards. We all have colors and pieces in our wardrobe that we're just drawn to. Like for me, it's blush pink or lilac, and these colors I feel I'm naturally gravitated towards, and they also complement my skin tone. So it's a good idea to start right there. Look into your current wardrobe and see what you have and experiment starting from there. If you're going shopping for monochromatic outfits, on the other hand, make sure that you go to the try room and try on outfits, because the wash for certain garments is different, and without trying you wouldn't know what will look good on you and what will make you fade out. So once you've mastered one color, you can slowly start playing around with other colors and building your outfit piece by piece. What this does is it slowly allows you to build your wardrobe in the balanced proportion and style, and it's something that you can always play around with. And then obviously keep a full length mirror in front of you, and as you're building your outfit, keep on checking what goes well with what. If you're carrying a red purse and you're wearing a red blazer and pants, make sure that the red is, we're going to talk about spectrum right now, so I'm going to save that for that. But basically just keep a mirror in front and keep on checking again and again and slowly build your outfit. Okay, let's talk about spectrum. Now the joy of monochromatic in itself is to not wear just one color exactly of one shade, but to play around with different shades and tints of the same color. So what you do is you incorporate pieces that have the similar undertone and shade but not exactly the very same color. Usually what we do is when we're getting dressed, we look for contrasting colors. We might use black with white or white with black and brown with white and gray with black. So this gives us some sort of contrast in general, but when we're doing monochrome, it comes with this tiny little challenge because you can't rely on other colors to give you contrast. So you have to really experiment within the same color family. What it does is it forces you to think of creating contrast in a lot of other ways, and that's what I personally love doing as well. So the first way monochromatic helps create contrast in your outfit while still playing with the same color is through patterns. Usually when we're wearing monochrome, we wear solid colors, but that can sometimes get very monotonous and it's not very visually appealing to the eye as well. It's just like, okay, that's another person who's dressed head to toe in black. So what you can do then is add a little bit of print. So for example, a striped t-shirt or striped pants or something like that, which basically adds a little bit more interest in the outfit. What you can also do is add a stole or a scarf, but it is my responsibility to tell you that sometimes finding a stole or the scarf in the same color family can get difficult. So if you're going with something that's hot pink, sometimes finding a hot pink stole or scarf is going to be a very tedious task. So just keep that in mind. But other than that, you can always get simple prints if you're going for simple monochromatic colors that are easiest to style, like beige, white, gray, black. I think these neutrals are always easy, and I personally love them because they're very chic, they're very sophisticated, and they're also easy. Who wouldn't want that? The next way to add contrast to your outfit without incorporating a lot of colors is by using texture. Now, texture is something that creates a lot of visual depth, interest, and it just makes your outfits not look very one-dimensional. It also helps our brain to register something as aesthetically pleasing. How this term has been overused, I think, for everything on Instagram. We're like, this is aesthetically pleasing. And I mean, no doubt, Instagram has become a very fun platform. But back to the topic, texture always helps you create more depth, and it takes away that boring element from an outfit. So if on top of this I add a very nice black teddy jacket, I think it would make this outfit stand out. Next, let's talk about accessories. Now, even when we're doing monochromatic, there are certain things that you should keep in mind when we're talking about accessories. For that minimal and classic color palette, you can stick to the basics like gold or metallics because they are known to add a touch of luxury to anything you wear. And this, to be honest, can be added with any watch or any bracelet or any pendant or any kind of earrings. You don't need to go out and buy real gold. You can even wear the fashion jewelry, and I think even that looks really nice. And right now I'm wearing the silver colored pendant with this top, and I still think it's bringing the whole outfit together. I'm wearing my watch and a bracelet. These metallic pieces will always help highlight your outfit. The next thing to remember whenever you're dressing monochrome is to keep in mind your body shape. Now, to be honest, you can wear anything and everything that you like, but in general, what looks good on a person's body is mostly dependent on their body type. So we have a lot of body types, and I do have a video on that as well. But in general, playing by the guidelines is something that will obviously take your monochromatic outfit from here to here. So for example, I have a pear-shaped body type, and if we're playing with shades of brown or beige, I don't want to draw a lot of attention to my lower part. So what I'll do is I'll wear a darker shade of brown, and on top I'll wear a lighter shade of mustard or brown. So similarly, a good idea is to read more about your body type and what will look good on you. And I also want to do a video on styling for different body types. So having spoken about all of these tips to make your monochromatic outfit rock, I also wanted to give you a few of my favorite monochromatic outfit combinations. The first one is a suit with matching colors, and it does not necessarily have to be a bold color. I think even pastel shades or even neutral shades would look really nice. This in itself is a very powerful outfit, but when you go monochrome, it just goes up by so many notches. Denim on denim is another trend that I feel people think is outdated and is kind of like a fashion disaster, but honestly, if you wear it right, it can literally look so nice. I also think jumpsuits are very easy to style because they're one piece, so you just wear them and you zip it up, and you don't even have to think a lot because from top to bottom you're dressed in almost the same color or the same design. A long skirt and a sweater is something that I have really been digging, especially during the winter months. I think when you wear a long skirt and a sweater of the same color family, because the texture is going to be so different. If you wear a satin maxi dress or a long skirt and you wear a knitted sweater, the texture is going to create a lot of dimension, a lot of visual interest because the materials are going to be contrasting. But at the same time, because they're from the same color family, it's going to look super, super pretty. And finally, dark colored denims and a pastel top of the similar color family. And when I talk about denims, I mostly stick to blue denims because I think that's the OG. And with that, if you wear a pastel blue top or something, I think it would look really nice. So that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I can't wait to see your monochromatic outfits on Instagram, so make sure you tag me. Please comment down below letting me know what other videos you want to watch. And if you're new over here, I would absolutely love if you subscribe to the channel because I do make a lot of these fashion videos and haul videos, and I would absolutely love if you joined us. One last thing before I leave, I do go live on Instagram very often, and my profile is right over here on the screen. So make sure you come check this out as well. I do post a lot of OOTDs and fashion photos and hacks over there, so I would absolutely love if you joined us there as well. And I'm going to see you guys next time. Till then, happy dressing.